Plumbing, shopping at the hardware store, in Home Depot, at Lowe's. To make a union socket, if you wanna disassemble the PVC line of the water, you have to do the union socket. Okay. First is you glue this together. Glue. Clean it first. Then glue. I use Ote PVC cement. Primer. Glue. Glue to the other side. Quarter turn so that the glue will be distributed evenly. Here you go. The other side. Clean the inside. Primer. And cement on the other side. Cement. Quarter turn. There you go. Then you do, if you wanna disassemble and you wanna put it together like that, the union socket will do it. See? Other side. There you go. And the water line goes here. And if you want to disassemble because you want to fix on something on your barrel, you just have to turn this. See? You put it together. And the water goes inside to here. Then this one, so that it will not leak, you have to put a tape, Teflon tape like this, to make sure that there is no leak. This is the tape. Tape it around. Teflon tape. Okay, after you cut this with this, you cut it with a small saw. See, there's a rough edges. You have to polish it with sandpaper like that. Polish like that. Plumbing. So, this is the filter. Goes here. The clean water goes here. And it's not enough to the pan, so we have to put this on. And before we can proceed that, we can put a connector. This one. Connector. Put it like that. Like that. So here. Ta-da! I see if it fits. I see if it goes to the pan. Oh wow! Ta-da! Good job. It is. I see. Yeah, it's enough right there. And the water, the clean water will shoot here. This one. Okay, we're gonna move this here to my big filter right there. And it shoots here to the pan. So this is the connector. So the dirty water from the pump to here. This is from the dirty water from the pan. Goes here. And it will filter at the bottom. And that is the side is the drainage that goes there. We're gonna put biofilter like racks, nets, lava racks, polyester, and foam right there to filter the dirty water from the pond. I just put Teflon tape around it so that it will not leak. Okay, just it's like a tape. Circle it around. That Teflon tape. Just squeeze it right there so that it will not leak. Turn it around. See, you can see the Teflon tape right there. Okay, we will put a Teflon tape around it so that it will not leak. See. You have to make sure that it is tight. When you're fixing the line and you want to remove the line, just put it there. Just put it like that. And then you close it. See, this is the union socket. Just close it. There you go, and the water from here goes here to the line, and now that is closed. Just go here, and it goes through the fish pond. So, and then we break this line. See, I'll show you guys. Break this line. Just turn that. Just turn this. Like that. There you go. Then you can put it back again. Just do like this. Just close it. There you go. That's it. For the fish pond. The other one is the rain barrel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.